I want to go out. The driver won't choose you. Yes, he will. Look. Ah, get back here. Nah, I'm happy for him. Same here. Yeah, me too, I guess. No, you'll get back here. Okay. I'm still happy for him. Me too. Please be gentle with us. Okay. Okay, that's good enough. Oh. Okay, we're at a station. Okay. 5 minutes later. Ah! Where's the guard? Look! Here he comes! Sorry, I'm late. About time. Let's go. I'm going out again. What do you think of that? I know. Don't say anything. Okay. The next day. Alfred, you hit the camera. Sorry. You watch me pull the express. That would be good for you. No, it won't. Whatever. Yeah, I know this is a terrible Gordon custom, so that's why I'm gonna update it soon, and hopefully I'll get a new one off of eBay or Amazon. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Ow! 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 Time to sleep. Sound effect of a steam engine's whistle. What? Who's that? Ugh. Goods trains. Goods trains. Goods trains. Gordon's stuck on his hill, so we need to help him. Okay. Oh, look, we found him. Move. No. I'm here. You're useless. Oh, yeah? How about now? Okay, take that back. You're not useless. Thank you. Later that day. That makes no sense. Later on. That still doesn't make any sense. A few moments later. That's better. Rain. I hate rain. Oh, there's a non-existent tunnel up ahead. I'll stop here. Go. No. Okay, we'll break you up. Okay, I want to get out of the tunnel. Oh, by the way, we're taking your coaches away. Wait, hold on. We forgot a few things to do. Pull. Push. Get an engine. Yo. Push. Too weak. Okay, we'll break you up. I want to be out of the tunnel. Sorry. Oh my gosh, I want to get out of the tunnel now. Okay, we're taking our coaches away. Wait, what? I didn't say that. Too bad. Left the coaches behind. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna watch engines fly by the tunnel. My tender, get back here. Okay, I'm feeling bored. Express coming through. Whee! Oh, I'm going slower. I feel weak. You burst your safety well. Oh, come on. We'll put you in the siding and fetch Edward. I like Edward. We'll have to face this big green engine. Yes. Hey, I'll pull the train. I'm still weak. Told you, get Henry. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Left the coaches behind. Oh, sorry. Oh, I have to be left behind. Oh wait, I'm actually happy for them in the books. Sorry. Hooray! Good luck, guys. Thanks. Okay, we are at the station. Let's go get Gordon. Okay. We're here to get you. Okay, let's go. So what happens next? 87546 and 98462 are sent away. Okay. You two are sent away. I hate being sent away. You two are sent away. Aw, that's so rude. And also, I'm blue. Cool. Now we're like the 3 railway engines. How do you stack wooden railways again? I forgot. Okay, you know what? Forget about stacking. They all live happily ever after, and blah 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 blah. You get the rest. Goodbye. Hey, I'm still alive. No, you're not. Goodbye.